This is surfing session number 12 on my new surfboard. It's January 2021 and I am surfing in Nahant in strong 20-mile-per-hour winds. There were a lot of kite surfers around surfing parallel to the beach, so you had to be careful not to collide with them or pray that they wouldn't hit you. The size of the waves was good for beginners, with 2 to 3 feet waves and some swells a little bit larger than that. It was easy enough to walk out and paddle for a short distance to where the waves were breaking and past from where they were breaking. The winds were very strong, however, and I had to paddle really hard to catch a wave, as the wind was strong and was offshore, blowing right in your face. I suppose that wind direction has positive aspects to it because it would help me paddle out by blowing me in that direction, outbound, but it also helped form the waves well. However, when I paddled to try to catch a wave, it was difficult because the wind was hitting me in the face and slowing me down. When I popped up, the wind was in my face, made the experience feel like we were moving even faster than usual, which was awesome. Hopefully you can hear the wind and the speed in the video. However, the wave before me would send the spray into my eyes and I couldn't really see anything. Since I was surfing almost blindly with all this wind and sea spray in my eyes, I had to try my best to remain balanced and also pray that those kite surfers would not hit me. It was a lot of fun though. It's also good practice for me as I'm a beginner, so I'd like to learn how to surf in different conditions, including windy days like today. I found that leaning forward and staying low helped a lot. I was able to catch a variety of waves, including whitewater waves and a few unbroken waves, so that was really a good achievement. On a few of the unbroken waves, I felt myself catching it at the top of the wave, and my surfboard would sink down as I was doing my pop-up, so that was a great feeling. I've got a lot of good footage of several of my pop-ups, which are still in the beginner mode, so I'm hoping to learn from these shots, but no really long runs today. I found that once I stood up in the strong wind gusts, the wind slowed me down to a halt, or I stalled or lost balance and fell off the board quickly. The wind would sometimes blow my surfboard up in the air, whether it was when I wiped out or when I was coming out of a turtle roll, so that was interesting to deal with that. It is the long Martin Luther King weekend, so I'm lucky to have a few days off from work and lucky to have some surfable waves for 2 of the days this weekend. I hope you like this video. This is part of my surfing progression videos where I'm hoping to learn from footage of me surfing out there. If you like this video, please click like, comment, or subscribe. I've also got other surfing videos on a surfing playlist on my YouTube channel, and I've got other action videos as well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.